Why companies are hiring fewer engineers in the AI era. Less hiring, but more work. You may have noticed, fewer job openings, smaller teams, but companies are still building more products. So what changed? The real reason: AI is increasing productivity. One engineer can now write code faster, fix bugs quickly, automate tasks. Work that needed 5 people can now be done by 2. The shift in hiring: companies are not hiring less randomly. They are hiring fewer but more skilled engineers, quality over quantity. What AI is doing: AI tools can generate code, assist in debugging, automate testing. This reduces the need for large teams. Who is most affected? Entry-level roles, repetitive coding jobs, basic development tasks. These are easier to automate. Who is in demand? Engineers who can design systems, solve complex problems. Work with AI tools. The industry trend: small teams, higher output. AI powered development, faster delivery. The new expectation: you're not just expected to code, you're expected to think, design, optimize. The shift from writing code to managing intelligent systems. The final take: companies are not reducing opportunities, they are raising the bar. Rocket emoji.